Welcome to another video tutorial. From today, we are going to start the Fiverr crash course on the basis of real-time experience. First of all, from Fiverr's homepage, click Join. Enter your email address and click Continue. You can also join with Facebook, Google Connect, and Apple Connect. Choose your username. Once you've successfully created your account, your username can't be changed. Your username is your display name and is within your Fiverr URL. Choose your password and click Join. You are now registered on Fiverr. Please check your registered email address as you will receive an email to activate your account. The activation link in the email is only valid for 30 days. Within the activation email you receive from Fiverr, click Activate your account. Once you've successfully created your account, based on the instructions I taught you, you will be able to activate your seller account. Click on your profile picture and select Become a Seller from the drop-down menu. On the page you are redirected to, click on Become a Seller again in order to start the onboarding process. This includes watching 3 videos on how to use Fiverr as a seller. You should now see this on your screen. Once you're done watching the videos, you will be directed to Fiverr's tips on what makes a successful Fiverr profile. What to steer clear of as a seller. Then click Continue. Complete the mandatory fields as marked with an asterisk. Be sure to complete your onboarding truthful and accurate information regarding your training, working experience, and skills. Next, you can choose to link your account to other social media channels. Taking the time to verify and link your accounts can upgrade your credibility and help us provide you with more business. Don't worry, your information will remain private. At the end of the onboarding process, you are required to phone verify your account. The final step is to create your first gig to offer your services as a seller on Fiverr. Finally, select any security question to secure your Fiverr account. We will create our first gig in next tutorial of Fiverr crash course. Thanks for watching. Bye till then next episode.